Honda's latest innovation, the new genre EV, represents a groundbreaking fusion of SUV practicality and sedan sophistication. Designed to excel in diverse driving scenarios while providing unparalleled comfort and convenience, this electric vehicle embodies the future of automotive engineering. The new genre EV features a sleek and aerodynamic exterior design, highlighted by the luminous H logo surrounded by a captivating light strip. The rear combination taillights echo this futuristic aesthetic, while the through-type front row and adjustable seat backrest angles emphasize both style and functionality. Step inside the new genre EV to experience a clean and flat dashboard, complemented by a large head-up display and an elliptical steering wheel for an immersive driving experience. The full-size multi-layered trunk space ensures practicality and convenience, offering ample room for all your travel needs. The centerpiece of the interior is the new generation Honda Connect 4.0 system, providing intelligent guidance interconnection, along with an intelligent heating system and intelligent fragrance feature. These advanced technologies create a digital smart cockpit that not only enhances comfort, but also engages all five senses, elevating the driving experience to new heights. Performance and efficiency. Underneath its futuristic facade, the new genre EV boasts exceptional performance and efficiency, powered by cutting-edge electric propulsion technology. With precise driving control inherited from sedans and the versatility of SUVs, this vehicle effortlessly adapts to various driving conditions while delivering an eco-friendly and exhilarating ride. From its striking exterior design to its intelligent and comfortable interior features, this electric vehicle sets a new standard for the future of mobility. Whether navigating city streets or embarking on long-distance journeys, the new genre EV offers a seamless blend of style, performance, and sustainability.